Welcome back to the Imaginative Edge. Today, this is the second part, and on the previous part we have covered our ground floor. Today we are going to cover our first floor and the top floor. With that, we also cut out some windows and the railing part. So let's begin. First, we will extrude this part and separate these two buildings like this. Okay, it seems good. After that, we will select its top faces and extrude them along z-axis like this. Okay, it seems good. After that, we go to the top face, press 1 for our vertex select and select our edges and extrude them. Make sure that before selecting, you should deselect everything. It is a plus point to remember. Otherwise, it will be a little messy. So, we have to extrude this extended part like this. Only the edges of this building. Okay, seems good. So after the extrusion, we have to select all these faces and extrude them a little bit like this. And for the terrace part, we have to select this and duplicate it, and after that move it along z-axis. Okay, now again we are going to select only this part of the building. Okay, select these faces and extrude them a little bit. You can also check the reference side by side. Yeah, okay, so we are going creating the top part of this. Okay, for this, take a plane and add loop cut. Okay, we have to add 4 loop cuts. After that, select them and extrude them along z-axis like this. Only a little bit. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, again we have to do the same thing. Box select, press B and select your edges and extrude them. Select and extrude. Make sure to deselect, okay? Don't forget that point. Deselect and then select and extrude like this. Okay, after the extrusion, select all these faces and extrude them a little bit. So for making its top part, duplicate our floor and make the roof. Okay, a little up. Okay, it seems nice. Now place it on the top of the building along z-axis, and that seems good. Okay, place it on the position. Okay, for resizing it, make sure to set its origin to geometry. Okay, it seems good. Now we are going to add a curved path. Okay, after adding this, we're going to place it here and rotate. After placing it, we're going to extrude it in the edit mode. Just press E and extrude them. We're going to create the railing for the building. Okay, just press E and extrude it. Okay, for giving it a thickness, we are going to increase its depth. Yeah, this much is good. Okay, you can see this is pretty good. Okay, now we are going to convert it into a mesh. For that you can go from the object part, or you can also press W. This is the shortcut key. Okay, after converting, select a little portion of this and duplicate it. After the duplication, rotate it. Okay, unlock Z axis and place it down. Okay, unlock a little at the corner, scale it down a little bit. Okay, now what we have to do is we just duplicate them, like press Shift D and duplicate all along a railing like this. It's pretty much easy if you crack it. Okay, go to solid view and yeah, nice. Okay, next to what we are going to do, we are adding a cube, and here we are going to cut our windows. So place it on a particular position we want to cut, and we are doing this with the Boolean modifier. You can check the detailed video of how to use Boolean modifier in the description. Okay, select the portion where you want to add Boolean modifier. After that, add cube as your object. After that, apply it and you have your window. See? Seriously. Okay, so we have to repeat this step for all our windows. So you can see the windows position. Just repeat the same step. Add Boolean modifier. With the use of the Boolean modifier, you can cut these holes. Okay. Just repeat this step again and again. After that, we have to make the windows boundary, that bold part. For that, we'll take a plane and add some loop cuts. You can add loop cuts on these positions, like I'm adding right now. After the addition, select these faces. Okay, press 3 for the face select. Select these faces and extrude them. This okay, it seems nice. After the extrusion, we are going to delete these two faces, and here it is. You can see the shortcut keys on my screen. You can place it on your window, cut it out portion like this, and here we go. Now just duplicate it for all your cut out portions, scale them down. Wow, like see, now you have to set its origin to geometry so that you can scale it down properly like this. Okay, now just duplicate it and position, rotate it and place it on this. Just you have to repeat this step for all your windows like this. Okay, seems nice. And for this single one, just go to the edit mode, press 1 for the vertex select, go to your wireframe mode and select the half portion of the window and delete those vertices. And after the deletion, just rotate it and you got your this bold part for your single windows. Okay, now place it like this, grab it a little bit and okay, Nice. Just repeat this step for all the windows. Now you can see. Okay, the next part we will cover in the next tutorial, so stay tuned.